Level 2, I can graph and write the equation of a line in function notation or in point slope, so starting from point slope form or in slope intercept form. So in number 4, again, we've got f at 3 equals 7 and a slope of -2. Write the linear function f of x in each form below. So again, from level 1, what's important about this is we want to take the point. So remember, in parentheses, that's going to be your x. What it equals will be your y. So we did this in the very first objective where we have a slope and a point. So remember, up here in red is your point slope form, and what we're going to do is substitute all of those values in. So y will always stay y, y1 will be the y coordinate of your point, the slope is -2, the first x will always stay x, the second x will be the 3 of your coordinate that you know this line goes through. So that is your point slope form. You don't have to do anything else. That's it. Okay? Now, if you're taking that and you're going into slope intercept form, what you're going to do here is simplify it and solve for y. So you're going to distribute the -2. So I'm going to get y minus 7 equals -2x plus 6. And then I'm going to add 7 to both sides. And that is your slope intercept form. The only difference is once you have y equals -2x plus 6, in this objective we want to always write it into function notation. So we're going to replace the y with f of x or g of x or m of x or whatever makes you happy. Pick a letter and then always use x though. So I'm going to use f of x and then it just equals -2x plus 6. So solving the same way, but in the end, don't write y equals, write f of x equals, because we're talking about functions. Okay, so now let's go down to number 2, and I hope you find this as easy as I do. Graph the linear function f for which f at 1 equals 5 and f of 4 equals 7. So again, what this means from level 1 is that if x equals 1, then y equals 5. So the point 1, 5 exists on this graph. Likewise with f of 4 equals 7. This is where x equals 4 and y equals 7. So the point 4, 7 is on this graph as well. So I'm going to go ahead and graph those 2 points, 1, 5 and 4, 7, and just connect them to create a line. And that is all you have to do. Okay, you're representing those 2 points are on the same line. And that's it.